Just doing a quick video, show you guys what the sky looks like now. And it's really windy, so there's wind going in the right. Sorry about that. Can't tell if those are chemtrails or some type of EMF. But either one kind of goes with the other, so it could very well be both. Check out this nasty. It's kind of discolored. Guess we should get used to this white sky. It's amazing when you really think about how much aerosol must be up there. Pretty scary too. Look how bright these clouds are.